Hello and good morning. My name is Spaz Libra Nation. Currently, I consider myself to be an artist, but lately I've been moving into different media. I would like to present you with my show, Spaz Presents. It's basically based on me, what I think, my opinions. I mean, it really doesn't matter, but hey, it can be entertaining. So I just hope that you enjoy. Alright? Today on Ratchet News. Hey, today on Ratchet News, first up is Grandpa. I don't have no idea what he was thinking. He needs to just let it go. Get it all cut off and everything will be fine. Feel me? Right? Alright. Are these three white girls? Of course they look pretty. Why the fuck is the house so trifling? Ain't wrong. You look cute. But my mama always told me, if the kitchen and the rest of the house ain't clean, then between ain't clean. Amen? Right, fellas?
Me? Amen?
Okay, next up is this wonderful family photo. Yeah. It speaks for itself, right? It's obvious. I don't have to say anything, right? This lady on Scepter, she's totally wrong. I don't know if she's fingering her butt or fingering her thingamajig, but whatever she's doing, I would like her to stop. This is public transportation, right? We don't do them type of things, but we see all types of things on public transportation. Anyway, she's nasty, and her bringing sexy back, right? You don't believe that she brought sexy back, because I don't believe it. At the party at a club with your man, and you got your fucking tampon hanging out, yeah. This motherfucker, I would call DHS on. Why the fuck do you have your newborn son or daughter in your fucking pocket? This is rude and ratchet. Stop taking these dumbass pictures. Shit, you're putting me in business.
Oh, fuck that.
Yeah, Mother's Day just passed recently, right? Look at the Mother's Day pictures people put up. That's horrible. That's not fun. That might be a form of some freak-ass abuse or something. It's statutory.
The power of Viagra.
There's this news article on a man who stuck his penis into a hornet's nest. Now I've heard of horny. We all know that feeling, getting up in the morning, being horny. But that's too damn horny. Stick your thing into a hornet's nest or a beehive. Wow. What ended up happening to him is he's dead. Stung him to death. Through his penis, the most sensitive area on the body. And look at this racist bull crap, right? Android, or a company up under Android that makes apps, thought it was cool to have an Indian maker app, an Asian maker app. Soon, they're gonna have nigga maker apps. This ain't cool, so we just gonna X this out. This is banned. I don't wanna see this shit on nobody's phone, or it's gonna be a problem. Dig me? I don't really know how old this little girl is, but it's a sad scene, right? Right.
Anybody home?
In here.
Whoa, Jenny, is your sister home?
No. But I'm here.
Congratulations. You passed the test.
A test?
I put my sister up to it. Oh, Jake, you do love me.
See, this is what happened when all the mix-up gets trifling. Somebody writes slut on your car. You're too stupid or too broke to actually get a fucking paint job. This is what happens. You put bags over it and you ride around. I don't know if one of her friends took this or who took it, but yeah, they wouldn't be my friend. Yeah, not at all. Ass hanging out. Anyway, that's the end of Ratchet News. Thanks for listening.
Unless I was certain nothing is as it seems. Check behind the curtain. Talk is all cheap when it looks picture perfect. True colors clear when you go beyond the surface. I wouldn't be saying this unless I was certain nothing is as it seems. Check behind the curtain. Talk is all cheap when it looks picture perfect. True colors clear when you go beyond the surface. Advanced, exquisite, simplistic like physics. Easy enough to be broken down into digits. Flat screen TV, 1080p HD image. Fantastic. If it's holographic, we're controlling the masses. Marijuana gases, ganja smoke masses. Wars and disasters make these niggas ghosts disappear like Casper. Catch me moving backwards, the wind can be captured. Slave mentality, pay homage to your master. Whether confidence or competent, you pay for your actions. In the past when I existed, I was born in a blizzard, with the body of an ape and the face of a lizard. Still handsome to a savage, caught up in her passions. When she spits it specific, she spits it like a dragon. Wearing that flame like it's the latest fashion. Seeing what happens, attractions to assassins. Enhancing my talents, I need a new challenge. Put these shoes on to reach a new balance. Nike says do it, nigga I say prove it. Foolish on that coolest shit, but niggas still stupid. I wouldn't be saying this unless I was certain nothing is as it seems. Check behind the curtain. Talk is all cheap when it looks picture perfect. True colors clear when you go beyond the surface. I wouldn't be saying this unless I was certain nothing is as it seems. Check behind the curtain. Talk is all cheap when it looks picture perfect. True colors clear when you go beyond the surface. Searching for a new clue, aspirations, new views. Scars go deep, I guess they permanent like tattoos. If I want some bad news, I can always see you dudes. Man or bitch, it's all in what you choose. Compelled to believe in the things we are seeing. A simple question is who the hell is leading? Something smells fishy, Libra scales empty. Must have sprung a leak, no longer is there plenty or even any good. You would if you could, but us as a people, we misunderstood. No justice, just us. Nothing done, nothing tried. reaching for the skies. If life is do or die, then saying this unless I was certain. Nothing is as it seems. Check behind the curtain. Talk is all cheap when it looks picture perfect. True colors clear when you go beyond the surface. I wouldn't be saying this unless I was certain. Nothing is as it seems. Check behind the curtain. Talk is all cheap when it looks picture perfect. True colors clear when you go beyond the surface.